Hello, today I am installing Visual Code Studio in my PC. So, first follow my steps. Open your Chrome browser. Next, you search Visual Code Studio Download. Click on first link. Go on Windows Platform Download. Visual Studio Code is now downloading automatically. After download, follow my steps.